Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful bunny balloon bouquet, perfect for Easter. So here I have a couple of 11-inch balloons. I got the pastel yellow, light blue, and light green. I also have my electric balloon pump. Here is our giant bunny balloon, foil balloon. It's from Anagram. I'm gonna go ahead and start inflating my balloons. I'm using my electric pump. Now this big bunny balloon is gonna take a little bit of time to inflate, which is okay. Here we go, I'm just inflating it. It's a self-sealing balloon, so you don't have to tie it. Once you're done inflating it, it just stays put. Here I'm just checking if it's full of air. Once it's nice and firm, you know it's inflated. Here we go, this bunny is really cute. I love the colors. You can match it pretty much to any color bouquet, so it's super versatile. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start inflating my 11-inch balloons. I'm starting with light blue color, letting some air out, and just kind of trying to see so these balloons are the same size. I'm going to go ahead and tie them in a knot. There we go. And you have your two balloons together. We're gonna get two more. I'm gonna inflate it to the same size. So just watch me inflating them, making them a little bit bigger. And then I'm gonna go ahead and let some air out. There we go. That's gonna prevent your balloons from popping. And just give you some room to move them around. I go ahead and twist the neck of my balloons and I just tie them in a knot. There we go, nice and secure. I'm getting my yellow balloons. I'm gonna do the same thing, so you wanna inflate them just a little bit bigger. Press down. Let some air out. The way they're gonna stay in a nice and round shape instead of the egg-shaped balloon. That's what we want to do. I twist the necks, I tie them in a knot, and there you have it. Now I'm gonna twist them together. Just press it down and just twist them around each other a couple of times. And then there you have your quad. Quad is 4 balloons tied together. There we go. They're approximately the same size. Don't have to be perfect, but just kind of try to see, try to judge with your own eyes. So the balloons are approximately the same size. Here moving on to this mint green. This is a very pretty color, so perfect for Easter. Twist, tie the necks. There we go. And now go ahead and make a quad again. Put the necks together in the middle. Just twist, twist, twist a couple of times. It's going to keep them nice together. There you have 2 quads of balloons, so 8 balloons total. This is going to be our base. So now what I'm doing is I'm grabbing the necks of my balloons. I get this green one here. And I got the yellow. What we want to do, we just want to tie them together as close to each other as you can get. Hope you guys can see how I'm tying these 2 necks, green and yellow, together. Trying to keep them nice and close in the middle. There you have it. Just one knot is enough, they're not gonna go anywhere. That's it. So this is the base for our bouquet. You just go ahead and shape them. You can press them down. So you have like a small column, 8 balloons. And here is our bunny. So here I have a 260Q balloon. These are those long balloons that you use to make cute balloon animals and flowers. If you guys don't have this kind of balloons, that's okay. You can use a balloon ribbon to tie them. So I go ahead and kind of fold it into this bunny balloon, make a knot so it's perfectly in the middle. Let's go ahead and tie it one more time. I like these balloons because they're stretchy, but again, if you don't have it, a balloon ribbon will do just fine. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna place our bunny in the middle, and we're going to go ahead and tie it to the base of our bouquet, to those 8 balloons that we have together. Just go ahead and stretch it all the way down. Yeah, you can see here that the bunny is in the middle of the whole column. If it's more convenient, you can turn it around just like this, upside down. And then go ahead and tie a knot. Just try to keep it in the middle. So now I'm gonna twist my ribbon around a couple of balloons on the bottom, so it's just a little bit more secure. Just twist it around other balloons and make a knot again. Twist around a couple of more balloons on the bottom and make another knot. Right now it's nice and secure. Okay, it's not gonna go anywhere, trust me. And there you guys have it. Here I'm gonna add a couple of pictures so you guys can see how it turned out. I added some names to the balloon, I added some flowers, I also made one in pink and added a couple of butterflies to it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like if you did and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.